Your SureSafeGO family monitored alarm can be ready to use in under 5 minutes. Turn the pendant on by pressing the button on the side. To program, send a few short text message commands from any mobile phone. Don't worry, all the instructions are in the box. To activate, press and hold the SOS button for 3 seconds. If you're ever in need, your emergency contacts will receive text messages and calls letting them know that you need help.
Hi son, it's only Mum. Just testing my new
Talk
SureSafeGO.
to your emergency contacts through the pendant and let them know what is happening. To charge, simply click the pendant into the charging cradle. Wear the pendant wherever you go and feel safe that help is available at the touch of a button.